Hey guys, want to make a review video on the Arrow 20-in-1 multi-tool. Thanks a lot to Arrow for sending this out. This is an awesome tool that has tons of features and functions. Get it out of this box. What I like is it comes with a carry case that you can put, it's got a loop on here so you can put that right on your belt. But look at this thing, stainless steel, super heavy duty, heavy quality. I really like the brush design here. But you've got your needle nose, you've got a cutter right here. Fits in your hand really good. Very easy to open and close as well. And on the other side, or on both sides, you've got all of your attachments. If you look on the inner side here, there's a tape measure, and then on the other side as well, flipping stuff out. So here we have a serrated blade. Looks like you chop down a tree with that, as well as another I guess hook. Come back to like cut string or fishing wire or anything like that. Okay, scissors. Need a scissors, you've got it. So here's your unlock right here, and that's locked in right now. If you want to unlock, you gotta press that in and bring it back. Okay, let's go to the other side. Other side has your regular standard blade, super sharp, looking super sharp. Let's see. Oh man, yeah, that's super sharp. So that will lock that out as well. You've got this push button right here to bring it back in. Okay, so let's bring it back in. And then the other, what's on this other side. This is what you use to cut down a tree. Or like a limb cutter, small branch cutter right there. Lock that back in. Here is a screwdriver with a double-sided bit. So you've got Phillips head as well as a flat head. Unlock it, you just press this button right here to unlock. That flips back in. We've got a can opener. You've got a really small flathead screwdriver, a little bit larger of a one. Whatever kind of tool you'd use that for. Here's a file, two different grits on both sides, diamond on one side. Tons of uses. 20-in-1, comes with the directions here. Your double-headed screwdriver, your hard wire cutter, your bolt gripper. So that's your bolt gripper right there. And your needle nose and your soft cut. Oh yeah, is in the middle there. Okay. And then big flat screwdriver, small, the owl threading needle. That's what that is, a threading needle in the inside. Metal wood file, serrated blade, rope cutter. I mean, tons of uses. But what I like about this, I'm going to be using this on my job, is that it fits right in this pouch. Can go right on your hip. But it's very compact as well, and a lot of functions. So super cool from Arrow. Arrow makes great products. This is the 20-in-1 multi-tool. If you're looking for something that's really gonna work and has a lot of uses, a lot of features, this is the one for you. Can highly recommend. You better pick up one of these. It even has a little strap right here, or a little hook right here. If you don't wanna put this on your belt, you can hook it right in your pants pocket or even on your belt right there. Super cool, highly recommend.